bones contain rich marrow fat. Extracting it is not easy, especially when the bone is a solid 4 kilos and too big to swallow. But lammergeiers have an extraordinary solution. They'd better mind their heads. Proficient bone smashing takes endless practice to find just the right height, speed, and moment of release. The juices in his stomach are more corrosive than battery acid. They dissolve the bone so that he can now digest the marrow. Lammergeiers have long, broad wings, ideal for gliding great distances with maximum efficiency. But the hardest part is getting food back to the island, because they share this airspace with thieves.